Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skiller. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, there's two things we're going to talk about in this video. You see, one of those things that we're going to talk about is about this whole thing where it is said that Pastor Gino Jennings said some things about Jamaican preachers. I'll soon get to that one, you see. Now, viewers and subscribers, it had came to my attention that many persons on social media are bashing Miss Donna for being upset about something a female did, you see me? According to what had been said on social media, it is said that a female went to Miss Donna's house and asked her about a fridge.
Where you left your yard come to? You say me a furniture store, yeah, so?
Now, according to what had been said on social media and according to some things that I heard in a video that is on social media about this whole thing, it would seem as if the female asked Miss Donna for a fridge some time ago.
And you say you come now because you ask me for fridge and me not bring the fridge. You give nobody fridge money for put down.
Now, viewers and subscribers, I did some investigation about this whole thing, you see me, and I get to understand that some time ago in the past, you see me, the female asked Miss Donna for a few things, you see me I say, and she got those things and more.
You ask the pampas and you get all TV and mattress and money and you come here in a son at the fridge.
On social media, Miss Donna is being bashed for saying some things to the female. You see me, at one point, Miss Donna handed her phone to the female because Miss Donna was on live and told her that she can talk to persons who are on her live at the time. You see me I say?
Hold the phone, do. See if they can give you a fridge.
Now, viewers and subscribers, you know, after she got those things, time had passed from that time when she got those things, and it came up to this time now where she went to Miss Donna, or as calling to social media, say went to Miss Donna's house and asked Miss Donna for a fridge.
Me a want no mama, me a want no baby father, me a want.
Yeah, on social media, some persons are saying that Miss Donna disrespected the female. But however, some persons on social media are saying no, Miss Donna did not disrespect the female. You see me, some persons on social media are saying that the female went overboard.
Then where you left your yard come, you put on fridge at 99, ma'am.
So you viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about this whole thing. You see what I say? Yeah, me just barely explain a little of it to you, you know, and give you a few little clips. And you know, in my point of view, I think that the female might have went overboard. You understand me?
Oh, no make me feel me can't stay in my house. People come and beat down my door. They see me.
I look at it like this way. You see, if you go to someone and ask for help and you ask for a few things, and if you get those things plus more, then I think it is okay to satisfy right there. You see me? Yeah, so remember now, you know, you ask someone for a few things, you get it. And you get more. I think it is okay to satisfy, you see me? Now, for those who might not know, Miss Donna has a program that is on social media where she put persons out there publicly, you know what I mean, like persons who need help. She put them out there publicly, let persons on social media see what's happening for those persons or with those persons, and then ask for help for those persons and, you know, help them, you know, persons who are in need. You understand?
Me can't turn my own yard in peace. Anybody pay you want buy the fridge?
That's the kind of program Miss Donna has on social media. Is that me I said to you? Alright, so let me know what you think about that, alright?
No, time hot. You know much people now no fridge. I feel like the tap to charity.
Well, anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic right about now, and this topic is about a video that is out on social media, and according to what had been said about this video on social media, it is said that this video shows Pastor Gino Jennings talking about Jamaican preachers.
Jamaica!
Amen.
The whole island.
Amen.
Better run for your life.
That's right.
You Jamaican preachers.
Amen.
Have damned the people.
Pastor Gino Jennings said some things that gave me the understanding that he's saying that Jamaican preachers are being influenced by American preachers or America preachers. You see me?
You have been influenced by America.
That's right.
America consists of lying preachers.
That's right.
And according to how he had said it, it would seem as if he's not really agreeing with American preachers or America preachers. You see me?
Liars!
Amen.
Benny Hinn!
Go ahead.
Liars!
Amen.
Joel Osteen!
Go ahead.
Liars!
That's right.
On social media, it is said that Gino Jennings bashed Jamaican preachers. You see me?
You people in these churches
Go ahead.
in Jamaica,
Amen.
will you hear your preacher giving you a blessing plan?
Amen.
He imitates Americanized hypocrisy.
That's
Maybe he's just talking about some American preachers, you see me? Or maybe he's talking about all American preachers, you see me? I'm just telling you what I think, you know. I might be right and I might be wrong, you see me? Maybe he's also talking about some Jamaican preachers or all Jamaican preachers. Maybe, you see me?
From Montego Bay to Kingston.
That's right.
From Kingston to St. Elizabeth.
That's right.
From St. Elizabeth to Bow.
Amen.
The whole island,
Whole island.
along with the whole world. You're going to give an account to God for what God gave his apostles.
That's right.
And on a real, it kind of hits me to hear Pastor Gino Jennings said these things about Jamaican preachers and American preachers. You see? Now, viewers and subscribers, I take a look at that video. You see me? And some of the things that Pastor Gino Jennings had said in that video, I think he has some very strong points. And that's my point of view, and that's my opinion. You see me?
Then all of a sudden, when he's about to die, he became a Christian.
That's true.
Instant Christian like coffee.
That's
On social media, many persons on social media agreed with some of the things that Pastor Gino Jennings said in that video that is circulating on social media. And some persons did not agree with some of the things that he had said in that video.
I don't want mine coming to church in vain.
no way.
I don't want these thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars being spent on airtime in vain.
Some Jamaican preachers do and say some things some of the times that is just not really Christian-like. Sometimes. And I'm not talking all Jamaican preachers, you know. Some of them, not all of them. You see what I say? Now, viewers and subscribers, I look at this video and I'm wondering if this video had been recorded within the COVID-19 pandemic time or before the COVID-19 pandemic time. You see me? Yeah, because I look at the video and, you know, I see some things about this video. Maybe I am right or maybe I am wrong. You see me? But I'm just going to say it and you can tell me if I'm right or I'm wrong. You understand? But I look at the video and I see where persons are in the church, or you could say that they are out in the church, like, you know, like, oh, you say congregation, right? And I don't see no mask. You understand? Now, maybe I don't see it. You see me? So if you, my viewers and subscribers, see a mask in this video, let me know. You see me? You can also let me know when this video had been recorded, if you have information about it. You see me? You can leave your comment in the comment section and let me know, because I have no confirmed information as to when this video had been recorded. You see me? Yeah, you know, just point out that because I saw that, and you know, and that's a thing. You see, if this video had been recorded before COVID-19 pandemic time, then really and truly I'm wondering what could have caused for this video to be now talking about on social media, to my knowledge, at this time so much. You understand? Alright, well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the two videos that I just talked to you about that are circulating on social media. You see me? You can let me know what you think about what Miss Donna is doing with the whole Miss Donna program thing. You see me? You can let me know what you think about Pastor Gino Jennings preaching. You see me? I said to you. And I want to say big up and respect to Miss Donna and Pastor Gino Jennings. You see me? I respect those two persons. In my point of view, I think that they are real and they try to share the love and put the respect out there and try to help persons out there at the same time. You see me? I said to you. But at some point, they are going to tell you like it is. And that's my opinion and point of view about those two persons. Alright? Here's where I'm going to leave it. You know, I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to Miss Donna, or you could say Auntie Donna. Big up and respect to Pastor Gino Jennings. And here's where I'm going to leave it, alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.